I sat the ACCA Financial Reporting Section C mock after mock. And every time I got to the discussion question, I felt like my answers were incomplete. Not wrong, just incomplete. I had covered the syllabus, I knew the standards. But when the question asked me what this meant for this specific company, I did not know what to write at first. I kept going back to my notes, and my notes kept telling me what the IFRS says. That wasn't what the question was asking. I reached out to a few people who had sat the exam before me, and one of them said something that changed how I prepared entirely. He said, the examiner already knows what the IFRS says. They wrote the syllabus. What they want to know is what you think it means for the specific company in front of you. That was the gap. I had been giving the examiner other people's perspectives. FR wants to be our perspective. From that point, every time I sat a Section C question, I read the scenario first. Not for the numbers, but for the business. Who is this company? What decision are they facing? What does this accounting treatment actually mean for them? The notes didn't change. The standards didn't change. The way I read the question completely changed. If you've been sitting mocks and feeling like something is missing, you're not behind. You've just found yourself in the same gap that I was in. And now you know what it is. Follow. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to close that gap with consolidation, ratio analysis, and the discussion questions.